Sparky Sparks here, and I have new hair. Oh my gosh, so exciting. Let's unbox her together. So she came from wigs.com, and it's by a wig by Rene of Paris. And this wig is called Frozen Sapphire. So I love that name. I love sapphires. I think that's my birthstone. So this is the model 1509 in Luxe Sleek. So let's take a look at her. This is unboxing. So she came, ooh, she's pretty, really pretty color. So let me show you. Has some tags attached. And then this is, ooh, new color. So nicely packaged. And this is how they come. So let's look at this gal. Inside, I always like to look inside first. So we can see here, we've got a left side part. This is the parting space. And then we've got center lace, so that's going to be probably about right here. We've got some nice, let's see, ear tabs. Do I feel ear tabs? I don't feel any ear tabs, so we'll see how that works when I get her on. Maybe, yeah, I do. Very, very gently right here. And look at that blue, kind of a blue hue. So let's shake her first, because, ooh, she's a little bit heavier than some of the wigs I wear. So that would mean that we have a little more density. I'm going to take this tag off so you can see the whole thing. Let's see if we can do this. It's always fun to get new hair, right? Always fun. And this color, again, it's called Sapphire, so that would indicate some blue to it, I think. And I actually did my makeup a little darker this morning because I knew I was going to be trying on some new hair. And that's one of my recommendations. If you're new to wearing wigs, or if you just are trying something new, put on a little extra makeup. It'll make you feel better, make you feel a little more on point. And always put on something that you like to wear. So I love this black Henley that I'm wearing. So, and black I think goes with a lot of different colors. Right now, this is Showstopper in Hazelnut, which is one of my go-tos. I've kind of just living in this girl lately. Okay, so back to our task at hand. This is the Frozen Sapphire, and the model is 1509 in a Luxe Sleek, and it's by Rene of Paris. Now, this is my first Rene of Paris wig, so let's give her a try. So we're going to slip this one off. That's how easy we do it. And the part lines right up here, so this is going to be perfect. Oh, she's really pretty. I don't know if you can see that as I open her up, and you can see this blue, kind of the blue and the silver. Just beautiful. All right, let's give her a try. Okay, so this is how it always goes on. Now, I also have not tried a gray wig, so this is super fun. Oh my gosh, really pretty colors. Oh my, look at my eyes. And look at that hairline. Beautiful. I love the rooted because it really looks intentional. You know, like I went to a salon to get this done. Now I'm going to try her with a black turtleneck as well, because I think if I were going out in this, and maybe I will from here, but you can see, just beautiful. Now let me show you the back. Excuse the bruise. Had a little face stuff done. So let's see. Check the back. So pretty, right? Kind of, oh, I like. Well, who knew I'd be gray, right? I keep denying that I'll ever go gray, but is this really gray? She's got blue hues. She's beautiful. So again, this is a Rene of Paris wig, and the color is Frozen Sapphire. I really like this color. Very trendy, very on point. Let me know your thoughts. Have a great day.